Hello everybody! Welcome and welcome back to my crochet creative studio. For today I would like to invite you to our next crochet along. For this crochet along I chose yarn Samba from Mondial, and the crocheting has 3 parts. In the first part you will find the video tutorial how to crochet this amazing winter hat, and in the second part the video tutorial how to crochet this neck warmer, and in the third part I will show you how to crochet these really cute wrist warmers. If you will have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. You can put the comment right below this video. You can reach me on my Facebook page, Pinterest and Instagram as well. You will find the QR codes at the end of my video. You can easily scan the QR codes and be in touch. Regarding the winter hat, I used puff stitches and the ribbing pattern. Winter hat is really warm, it's very pleasant and cozy, and you can easily customize the size. This beanie is for my size, it's woman small medium size, and you can very easily customize to change the width, to crochet more rows, or the length, to crochet more stitches in the row. The beanie or the hat is crocheted row by row. Once you reach the width, you will join the sides together and also join the top of the hat, and you are done. It's super easy. On the top I made decrease, so it's easy to join the top as there are only few stitches to join. You can make the fold like this, and make the ribbing edge covering the pattern a little bit, or you can make it like this and crochet this part shorter. Of course you can put the pom-pom on the top if you like it. Regarding the neck warmer, I absolutely love this shape. I used this construction several times already, and it's super easy because it's just a rectangle. You will work in rows back and forth, and then make a twist to join the corners together, and then the shape is given like this. There are so many styles how to wear it. You can wear it like this with the corner in the middle, or you can make the fold here, and it's very elegant and attractive as well. Or you can move the corners on sides and wear it like this. There are many options. Of course you can also change this corner on the back and have this corner in the middle, and yeah, it's fully up to you what you prefer, what you love. The important for this neck warmer is to have the pattern which is the same on both sides, so there is no wrong side, no right side, both are the same. The reason is that it's a fold and it must be perfect, so the pattern is the same. It's similar to the pattern which I used for the hat. but the neck warmer is not so warm. They are two layers together, so it's a little bit lighter, but the pattern is similar. And the wrist warmers, to be honest, I have only one skein, and it has 400 meters, 200 grams, and I would normally crochet the wrist warmers longer, but I wanted to use only one skein, so that's why I crocheted the wrist warmer a little bit shorter than normally, but you can very easily make it longer, a longer ribbing edge, or longer the body of the wrist warmer. Again, there is the pattern with puff stitches, so everything is in one line. Look at it. So I will wear the wrist warmer to show you the size, like this. So it's easy to add 1-2 centimeters on the top of the wrist warmer. I also made a shorter cover for the thumbs. Okay guys, this is it. So there are 3 parts of my video tutorial on HeroHero. I would like to thank you very much to everybody, to all members of my HeroHero account, Crochet with Love. Thank you so much for your support. I really appreciate it. And for the members, there is always a written pattern for free, or you can buy the written patterns for this Samba winter set on my e-shop. I will give you the link below. You can buy a written pattern for all 3 pieces together, and there is a discount. I always prepare written patterns with very detailed explanation, recommendations and tips, and with many photos and pictures. Still, if you will need my help, I'm always available. So guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope I will crochet together with you this winter set. You can use any yarn you like. You can use Samba yarn from Mondial, or any yarn with the wool, so the winter set will be really cozy and pleasant, or any yarn you like. I found so many substitutes for the Samba skein, and you can watch my last vlog and report and check if these skeins, these substitutes will suit you. So guys, this is it. Thank you very much for watching once again. Happy crocheting, and see you next time. Bye bye.